Presenting a Safari Montage playlist in Google Meet can be done very easily using the Meet Presenting feature. First, have your playlist on screen in Safari Montage and ready for sharing. Once you're in your Meet session, when it's time to present the playlist, click the Present Now button on your Meet screen. This will give you several options for presenting. You can present your entire screen, a single window on your computer, or a specific tab in your Chrome browser. If you'll be sharing videos in your playlist, you'll want to select the Chrome tab option and make sure the Share Audio box is checked. Now you're ready to share your playlist by selecting that tab in the menu and clicking the Share button. You'll see a blue border around the active window you're sharing. You're now sharing your playlist, and any items you select, your student viewers will see and hear. It's really that easy. When you're done with the playlist and you want to stop sharing, click the Stop button at the top of your Meet screen. The blue border will disappear and you can click back to your main Meet session, ready to continue. You can share any Safari Montage playlists or other resources again at any time.